Coconut beans recipe served with turmeric rice, a perfect meal for January. On to the recipe. In a heated pan, add some oil, and once the oil is hot enough, add the onions. You can use red or white onions. Allow the onions to cook for a few minutes. Then add green capsicum. And cook for a few minutes, then add the potatoes. We have used the potatoes to improve on the flavor of the beans. Add a pinch of salt to taste, a teaspoon of paprika, we used thyme, garam masala, cumin, and Royco cube. All the spices used are on the description box. We also added tomato puree. The puree consists of tomato, garlic, and ginger all grinded together. Mix evenly and allow the potatoes to cook for a few minutes. Add about 90 ml of coconut milk. If you don't have coconut milk, you can use plain yogurt or you can use cooking cream. Add the beans to the sauce. Kindly share with us on recipes you want us to prepare. For our previous videos, the link is down below. Kindly support the channel by ensuring you have watched all our videos. We value your support. Kindly also visit our Instagram and Facebook pages. Add some grated carrots. They say that carrot helps in managing the gas which is produced by eating beans. I don't know how true it is. Kindly comment down below with your feedback as to whether carrot helps really in managing the gas. Once again, if you're new here, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss the upcoming videos. We have videos every week. If you're already a subscriber, kindly ensure that your notification bell is on so as not to miss any of our videos. We value your support. Continue supporting this channel. Also remember to tell a friend or family to subscribe to the channel. Our beans are ready. Serve with turmeric rice. All the ingredients are on the description box. Thank you for watching. See you on our next one.